Today I'm going to show you how you can add your home printer to your GRCS issued laptop. The first thing we want to do is go into the self-service app. You can find that either on your dock, it's the big blue C there, in your launch pad. You'll see that and there's a big blue C, self-service, or you can search for it using the spotlight search, clicking on the magnifying glass there, searching for self-service, and go ahead and opening that app up. On the left, you will want to go to the printer management category here, and then you'll see a policy that says allow adding non-GRCS printers. This button should say allow or reinstall if you've already ran it once before. Go ahead and just click on that button there. We will wait for that to finish. It should only take about a second or so. Excellent. And then we can open System Preferences, go to Printers and Scanners, and we'll click on the plus button there. Before you do, if you don't have a wireless printer, you may need to plug your printer into your computer using a USB cable. That should have been provided with your printer. If you do have a wireless printer, then you don't have to worry about it. You just go ahead and click this plus button when you're ready. And you'll see this is my home printer. It's a wireless printer. So it automatically detects it. So I just go ahead and click on that. It's going to gather the appropriate information. I click on Add and Continue. And then it's going to set up my printer. And there it is. All good to go. And once you're done with this, you can go ahead and close everything out. And you are all set.